We are same things we are writing in the single line only, right? Single line only. So the burden is reduced or not, our developer. So this is what latest version, this is the older things, okay? So because of that, what not latest things, both implemented array list, and this one both is the implemented Java what 1.2 version only, right? This is the both same, okay na? So this is the sorted format, right? This is the sorted format, and this is the what actual longest format. So which one? So because of that I prefer this one, okay? Now I think you got the point. And total core Java I can't explain here, friend, okay na? Now let me know that, use chat box. I think if you get a clear little bit clarity, just tell that one, okay na? Clear? Okay, I do. Okay, fine. Clear, right? Okay. So what we are doing that, so instead of writing this much code, just I'm writing this much small things, okay na? But working functionality internally both are the same only, okay? So now fine, okay, so I'm removing here, okay na? The same things I'm removing here. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let's move on, and we will see the next level discussion. Okay, now, so what we are doing now here, what we are doing now. So we are sending the list of data, right? List of data on browser, but we can read it. We can directly use. We can use it this using what this reference, but but our perception is to iterate the data, right? Our perception is what, to iterate the data on what GSP page, right? So just I will show that if we use the expression tag, right? Expression tag, we can read it also, we can read it. Just I'm using what expression tag, and I'm reading the data from what scope. GSP means what is that request scope. So what is that, what we taken the name data, right? We taken the data name inside that controller. So just what we will do now, just we will pass this data here only, right? After they run it, then run it. So how we are reading the collection data, those things, right? How it will come, in the which format it will come, now I will show that, right? Like this, it will come in this way, right? In this way if we directly read it, right? So what is that first one, 10 1 minute. uh, how it will come now, okay, come to but if we read like this, okay na, if we read like this, so how it will come now, okay, come here and see that, right? So come here and see that, right? In this format, right? It will come, what is that, 101, after then what is that, Amit, after then what is that, 2000, like this data will come, right? If we directly read, how collection will read, if we read like this, okay na? I will show the result first, I will show the result, okay na? So now let's run the application, and we will see that our expected result is coming or not. But our expectation is not this one, we have need to iterate on what, we have need to iterate on GSP. So that is our perception, right? So that is the useful for us only, right, in the future. Okay, so now what we are doing now, finish it, okay now? After finishing it, after finishing now, what we will do now, let's run the let's make the request, let's make the request, okay now? Again, so after making the request, I'm making the request, okay now? Hey, what's happening now? Oh, it's still our application is not running, right? Refresh it. Actually, this request is coming from what cache. Now another, take another tab, make the request. Mm. Hey, what is this? What's happening now? The same application is an, oh, some, actually, my system problem only. Actually, my system is not able to, nowadays it's becoming too much slow, too much slow. Okay, na? No problem. We will again run this application. Okay, na? Okay, so what we will do now, right click, new, run, next, finish it. Eh, actually, my system is still 8 GB RAM is there, not enough. 8 GB RAM is there, my system, but still, it's actually no. Still, I'm not using Vasu. Still, I'm not using GSPL. I will add it. Okay, na? Don't worry. I will give H and everything. Don't. Still, just I'm reading the data from the scope only, right? Don't hurry. Give the time. Give the time. No, Manjulata, port number not problem. Actually, whenever we will share the screen, my memory, computer memory is less. Okay, na? It's saying that because of that, my computer is not able to process that data, right? So because of that, because previously we run this application, suddenly high port number problem will come. Okay, so port number problem is not there. Okay, na? I will run the same application. Yeah, if not, then I will stop the screen share. After then I will run the application, then again we will make the request. Okay, na? Whatever things I'm doing in front of you people, just I will stop the screen sharing. Then if I run the application, then it will work. Okay, na? So don't worry. Let's check one time, one more, 1 or 2 times, let's check it. Okay, na? If not, then we will do the same things. Okay.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah, Ravi. I'm Venkat.
Sorry.
My name is Venkat. So you know Telugu.
Hmm.
Uh, కొంచెం క్లాస్ డీబగ్గింగ్ క్లాస్ చెప్పగలరా మీరు ఒక సండే కానీ సాటర్డే కానీ
uh, your voice is not clear, man.
ఒక సండే కానీ సాటర్డే కానీ ఒక డీబగ్గింగ్ క్లాస్ సార్.
See, boss. See, one thing I'm doing, just I'm stopping the screen sharing. Okay, na? After running this application, just I will run this application. Okay, na? Then I will share. Okay, na? Please wait.
ఇది ఒక వన్ డీబగ్గింగ్ అప్లికేషన్ టూ క్లాసెస్.
Yes, yes. The application is completed, right? Oh. But in the background, the last video conversation is also happening. Because of that, my computer is not able to process. Now, after stopping the screen sharing, right? See, in the background, the last 14-minute video conversation, because we see this conversation is also happening. Because of that, my processor is not able to. 87% is still converted, right? Because of that now, after stopping the screen here, right? See, the application is run, right? Yeah, Yaganti, Yaganti, right? Yaganti.
Yes, 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 yes,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
okay.
yes. I will provide the Git link. Okay, na? Okay, na? I will
Yeah,
provide the Git. I will provide each and everything. Yeah. What I will do. Okay, na? This is my. Okay, don't worry about that. Nothing I will hide here. Okay, na? Whatever, even how
yes,
I struggle in my life, how I made my life, each and everything I will share to you people. Because of that, I know that if I hide anything, right, then the motivation will not come. Okay, na? Then you people will just see that you no, without a struggle there is no success. Know only one point. If the person is struggle there in life, right, then the person will succeed. If the person will succeed, then they can give the stories, right? So I struggle in my life, yeah. It's not meaning that I will provide each and everything. Nothing I will hide here. Okay. So now see, my application is running, right? Come here. Where? Okay, so what we will do now? Let's make the request. Okay, now making the request. Still conversation is happening now. Because of that, the system is okay. What I will do now? 97%. Okay, 3% is there. Now let's convert it. Let them to convert. 98, 2% is still more is there, na? Otherwise, okay, 99%. Video is converting now, okay, na? Okay, so now, okay, so now see the system speed is increased. See, we got it, right? We got it. Now the things is now from here onward. See that how we are getting that. How I said that come to here, right? Like this 101 Amit 202, right? Amit 202, 202, 202, right? Like this, we are getting the result on what browser, right? Directly we are reading that, right? We are reading that data. So no, I want what? I want to iterate it, right? I want to iterate like 101 101 Amit and 20, right? Here Amit, what I want, here I want 101, after then what I want Amit, here what I want 20, right? Like this result I want, right? Like this I want result, okay na? So fine, okay, so I want like this result, so fine. What we will do now for this purpose, what we will do now, okay, so for that we will use what GSTL. But if we want to work on GSTL, first we have need to put in the pom.xml. What is that? GSTL tag, right? GSTL, to activate the GSTL tag, we have need what dependency, right? We have need dependency. So let's copy the dependency from the internet. What is that? What is that? GSTL, right? GSTL Maven dependency. I will show that. Okay now. So see, you will get Maven GSTL if don't copy this one. Okay now, don't copy this one. I will tell which one you have need to open this one, right? After open this one, see that what, see here, what is that GSTL? GSTL is there. No need. If you put this one, right, then you will get the problem. It will not work. This is the another things. Also, I also don't know why they are giving, right? Which one we have need? Okay na, back it. Okay na, back it. I will tell which one we have need. Come down, right? So see which one, Java X dot servlet dot GSTL. We have need this one, right? We have need this one. Okay, na? So uh, yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay, na? After opening that, come to see here. What is that? Read it. Group ID should be this one. Then it will work. What is that? Java X dot servlet. Then it will work. If you take group ID name, must be this one. Then it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, na? If you use another GSTL tag. Okay, na? So copy this one only, right? Copy this one and paste inside that what? Paste inside that what? Paste inside that this one. Okay, na? Why am I stressing? Because I suffered a lot because of that. I mean, because of this dependency. Previously, GSTL, for the GSTL tag, I copied the same only, right? But that one is not working. I said that yeah, I put the GSTL tag. So on that time I don't have that much maturity, right? So what I did in the class path, directly I pasted what jar in the project, in the project, and I completed my work, but that is not a good way. Then when I was analyzing, I asked my manager why I'm facing this problem. Then he said that, right, no, you are pasting wrong dependency in the form.xml. Because of that, our Maven is not able to give what that jar, which one we have need to work on one GSTL. So because of that, I'm saying this is the experience. Okay, now this is the experience I'm sharing to you people. You people also correct yourself. Okay, now. So okay, so now come here. Okay, now. So okay, fine. So these things. Okay, now now completed, right? So let's write it. So come our what, here the what is that, our diagram. So come here, right? So these things we completed, right? These things, this much things we completed, right? These things we completed, we send the data from the controller, but to read that we have need to iterate our what, our data on what, client side, means browser, means GSP. Okay na? So how we will write it? Let's write the code, right? Let's write the code. But if we want to import, right, if we want to import GSTL tag, which URL we have need? This URL, right? So what we will do now, just come here GST. I think the GSTL code. Okay, no, there are not. No. Okay, so what we will do now? GSTL, right? GSTL, what is that? URL. GSTL, what is that? URL. Okay, now. So fine now. Okay, so GSTL URL, what we are doing now? Copy it, right? Just we have need to GSTL URL. Okay, now. So core, which one we have need? This one, okay na? This one only. I will write. I can copy from here to here also, but I will write that front of you people because we are the learner, right? If I copy all those things from the internet, then what is the use to learn the things? Okay na? So okay. So come here. Okay na? Come here. So where we will come to GSP page. Okay na? Come to GSP page. Fine. So these things we will read this one data also, but we will iterate it also. We will see that after iterating it, how it look like. Okay na? How it look like. Okay, fine. So okay. So let's write it. So first, what is that? How we can import it now? Okay na? This tag, right? So what is that? Percent at the rate. Okay na? So this is what this is the directive tag, right? Which is the okay na? Inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now? Prefix. No, what is that? I also forget it na. No, tag lib. Tag. What is that? Tag, right? Tag lib. After then, what is that? One more is there. What is the prefix? Inside that, I'm giving just C. You can give anything. R also means Ravi also. But based on that, inside that tag will store, right? So what is that? Just I'm giving the C. Okay, na? After then another one to URL. One more attribute is there. What is that? Attribute is there? What attribute is there? What attribute? URL, right? URL attribute. Inside that, what we will do now? We will paste this what? URI means URL, sorry, URL. We will paste this URL means what internal will happen now. All tags, whatever GSTL tag is there, whatever GSTL tag is there, those GSTL tag will come inside this prefix. Based on this prefix, whatever usable, whatever usable tag is there, we will use that tag, right? We will use that tag and we will perform our operation. We will perform our operation. Okay, na? So okay. So let's now what we will do now. I need what is that for each condition, right? I need to perform what for each condition. Okay, na? With the data, right? With the data list of data, whatever the list of data is coming from the controller, right? So I need to iterate this list of data, right? So for that, what we will do now? Okay, so control C, right? What is the prefix? C colon, right? C colon. What is that? For. Inside that for each means attribute is there, right? Because this is the tag. GSP means what? GSP means what? Tag based programming. We are doing the tag based programming. After then, what is that? After then, what is that? Come to here, right? What we wrote now? What we wrote now? Item. One attribute is there in the for each, right? In the for each. What is that? Items. Okay, na? Inside that, what is that? Come here. Okay, na? What is that? What is that? We will read the data. Means all collection data we will store in the item. After then, what is that? Come here. Come here. No, here only. What is that? Means items means what? Items means what? This one means this one, right? This one. Items means see, understand based on the our core Java for each method. Okay, na? This one means this one all list of data. But what we are doing that? What we are doing that? We are taking the age data, right? Age data, right? And this for will iterate it. So means this one is what? Age means this where means what? Age, and this one means what? Total list, right? So same things. After then, what we are doing that inside that using this tag, what we are doing that we are printing the data, right? We are printing the data on what? GSP. This is the meaning of total for each, right? So after then, what is that? After then, what is that? What we will do now here using what? Dynamically, how we are reading the data using what? GSTL expression language. So same things we will use it here also, right? So here, what we will do now? Data. We will pass the data, right? Data. Okay, so our list of data is came, but if we want to iterate for each condition, right? So what is that? Where attribute is there? Inside that we will give one name. Just I'm giving one object, right? So inside that, what is that? Inside that, what we will take the C colon. How we can print it? C colon out method is C colon out. What is that? Out tag is there. Inside that, value is there. What is that? Value. Okay na? Then what we will do now? This value come to here right now. Okay na? So just this age data is there inside this where, right? Where tag. So how we can read it? How we can read it? Using this one only, right? Using this one only. So if we want to read it, okay na? If we want to read it, so fine. What is that? Dollar symbol, right? dollar symbol, okay na, dollar symbol. Inside that value, what we are doing now, we will pass that ob, right? ob, okay na, okay, we pass, okay na. So now that's it, okay na, the things is now completed, okay na, the things is now completed. So fine now. So but here we will close it, no need there, okay na. So but it will iterate in the single line. So here what we are just break the line, okay na. We are using the html tag break the line, that's it, okay na. At the time of iteration we will get it, okay. So now, okay, so let's run the application and we will see again, right? So now what I'm doing now, I'm running this application, okay na. Run the application, now run the, okay na. After running that, next, finish it. Okay, so now, okay, copy this URL, come to here, right? Come to in the browser only, right? So what we are doing now, just what is that, MVC slash what, MVC slash what, so now hit it, right? Yeah, see here, Amit is came here, right? 101, Amit 202. Based on this one, we able to iterate it or not. See, these things is really small things. I know that, but when I will end to end, right? I will code operation, big application. When I will develop front of you people, right? At the time, I will use these small things only, right? Because when I shown to you people seen, right? Just now in the whatever in this project, product management project also, I'm using this concept only. Based on this concept, I'm showing that same data on the same page, okay na. After then delete, whenever I'm clicking the delete, that total row is deleting now, okay. So this is a really small things, okay na. I can understand, right? Here what I'm doing, that here br, here also I'm using what br means, break the line. Now refresh, just refresh it. 101 also come to here only. See, 101 Amit 20, right? So means how we can reiterate it, that the collection data on JSP page like this, okay? So like this, okay na? So okay, so the collection we are sending now. The next step, let's move on. Sending the, now still what we are doing now, we are sending the data from the what? We are sending the data, this data from the collect means what? Controller, and just we are reading it, just we are reading on what, browser, right? Just we are reading the browser. But what is that, this is not, this is what we are, just we are learning the things. Because of that, to learn the concept, because of that we are doing these things. But this is not, let's create one form, right? And we will send that, we will send this data to what, browser. We will send that this data to from the browser, and we and we will read that data, and from here only we will write the logic, and it will show that data to our, what is that, record is inserted, record is not inserted, like this, right? So these operations. So what we will do now, so next discussion is our what, sending form data, right? Sending form data to what, sending form data to whom, from browser to server, right? Browser, so to server, and we will design one form, and we will take the input and all those things. I will use in that form what, I will use in that form what, all those things like css also I will use, css, uh, javascript I will not use, validation, because it will become too much lengthy, right? So here we are collaborated to learn Spring MVC, not a JavaScript, okay na. So but I will touch small things, and I will use this one also, right? This concept also I will use in this application. Now from here actuality I'm going to present front of you people, okay na. Spring MVC actuality I'm going to give you people, okay na. Total project concept is there. Whatever things I'm explaining to you people, everything is useful for the real time work, okay na. Day to day, if you are working in the really in somewhere, right, the things is really useful for you. So okay na. So now we learn what, to send, how we can send the data from the what server. So now let's design one form, and in the form we will send the data, and we will read the data in the server, and we will give the information to end user, right? So this is our So now, till now, anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself and ask. Okay, now unmute yourself and ask, because now from here onward, next discussion is there. Next discussion is there, and that is the actuality. These things I given to habituate you people, right? These things I given just to habituate to work, right? So, but now here onward, you people also settled in Spring MVC. Now from here onward I will make a Spring MVC. What is the actual Spring MVC, right? So now till now, anybody having any doubt, let me know that. Unmute yourself and ask. Okay, na? What about others? Please respond, everybody, right? Everybody
No,
respond.
Ravi.
Uh,
It's there.
it's not meaning that it just I'm only speaking and you people will sit silently. See, think about that. Think about that Padma, yaar. See, 4 o'clock. Her time is, their morning 4 o'clock. Still she is learning and she is giving the response. Means what? You people is there in our own time zone, right? In India only. One person, one more Ayodele is there also. I don't know what is his time zone. What is their time, Ayodele? Please let me know that. Be active, right? Be active. If you make your body active by default 11:70 a.m. Okay, then fine. Okay, now for you that's good. See, if you make your body active, right, then by default your mind will be active. Okay, so make your body active, activate your body, right? Until unless if you feel laziness is not good, it will kill somewhere, right? If the person is lazy, means laziness will kill. So yeah, okay. Thanks for giving everybody understand, right? Um.
Yeah, thanks, Ravi. Thanks.
Uh, so okay. So now, so you people want break? Shall we start the session, right? Shall we continue? If you people want, because 2 hour completed, right? 2 hour completed. Now 48. If you people want break, okay. Let's take the continue. Okay. What about others? What about others? Continue. What about others? Everyone give the response. 10 to 15 minute people want break, small break. Okay. What about others? Others. Everyone give the response. Please use the chat box. um, okay. So okay, na. So let's see. 3:49 is happening right in India here. So let's yes, Ravi means Amit what? Yes, Ravi means what I can understand. Break. Continue. Okay. So okay, let's do.
Yes, great.
We will okay na. So here 3:49 is happening now. So 3 4 4, right? 4 4 5. Let's take 20-minute break, right? Means we will connect 4:10, right? We will connect 4:10. Okay na? We will connect 4:10. From there only we will learn the concept. Okay na? 4:10 we will connect the 4:10. Okay. So I'm stopping it now. Let's connect. Okay na? Even in the chat box also I will, let's connect. I will message it also. Okay. So let's stop the session and we will connect 4:10. Okay na? After 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we will connect again. Okay. Okay. So let's stop it.